What's up, guys? Where have I been? Well, so much has happened since the last video that I posted, and I'll get to explaining, but first we're going to run the intro, and we're going to run the old intro for old time's sake. So I'm fairly sick at the moment, so there might be a lot of jump cuts to cut out my coughing, so just be aware of that. But Happy New Year! I've been looking back on the last 10 years of my life, the past decade, and it's been quite a roller coaster, honestly. I've had multiple relationships, multiple jobs, multiple cars. I struggled through school. I've had deaths in the family, births in the family, and I'm sure the same goes for all of you guys. But it's just a lot can happen in 10 years. And before I continue, I just want you all to know that I am picking back up the YouTube channel. However, things are going to be a little bit different. In the last couple of years, a lot has changed for me. I finished school, I landed my dream job, I moved out into my own apartment. But most recently, about when the video stopped a few months ago, Jenna broke up with me. I don't really want to get into it too much, but we dated for 2.5 years. And honestly, I thought she was it for me. So when we broke up, it hit pretty hard. Some of you may remember her from a few of my videos. Actually, my favorite video that I've ever posted is the one where we change her brakes, and I'll put a thing for it like up here so you can check it out if you want. It's a really funny video, super cute. But the breakup really just got me thinking about my life in general and what I was doing with it. I honestly wasn't even sure if I wanted to work on cars anymore, so that's why the YouTube channel got put on the back burner. I stopped posting videos to it completely because I wasn't even sure if I wanted to continue the channel, which I do, which I'll get into. But instead, I focused on bettering myself in the meantime, which you maybe tell a little bit, but since the last video, I've actually lost 30 pounds due to like working out and dieting, which is really cool. It's made me super happy, and like most of my clothes don't even fit properly anymore, which is kind of cool, but also kind of sucks because I gotta buy like an entire new wardrobe. But another thing that I've done since then is start focusing more on music. A lot of you don't know, but I'm really into music. I sing and I play guitar. I'm in a band. We're called Jackson and the Pool Sharks. Starting to do my own thing a little bit. I've actually written 3 songs in the past couple months. I don't really think I brought that up much on this channel, but I've also actually been thinking about starting another channel just for music. I've been throwing the idea around a little bit. I probably will at some point. I don't know if I'm going to do it right now, but probably pretty soon. Now, the news for what's going to happen with this channel. I want to keep this channel and cars, that portion of my life, exactly what it was originally meant to be for me, which is a hobby. I don't want this channel and cars to take over my life. I do want to keep producing videos for you guys. I don't want to stop. I really like this channel, but I need to get things in order so that I'm happy. And I don't really need this YouTube channel to take off in order to survive. However, I would definitely love for this channel to take off, but I have a job outside of YouTube. I don't think I've ever mentioned it before. I mentioned a little bit earlier that I landed my dream job, but I am a software engineer and I write code for autonomous vehicles. I'm not going to get into it too much, but that's what I do outside of YouTube, and I absolutely love it. I do want to pick this channel back up a little bit. I have 3 FRS videos right now that are ready to be, actually 1 is ready to be posted, 2 still need to be edited. This Civic is sitting in my garage right where we left off after honing the engine, so that has to be picked back up. Expect a good amount of Civic videos, but these videos are going to have to come at my own time, so I need to make sure that I'm really only working on this stuff in my free time, and I'm not putting other people and other important things aside to get my cars done anymore. That's been one of my weaknesses for a while now, is like just being obsessive compulsive about finishing my cars, and I need to get this done first, and then everything will totally be fine, and then we can go back to how things were or whatever. And I need to get that toxicness like out of me and gone. So don't be surprised if I start posting only once every month or so. I really appreciate all that you guys have been for me, and I hope you understand where I'm coming from with this. I don't want to not give you content. I just want to do what's right for me, but you will still get content, and I'm not selling my cars anytime soon. So, and I have tons of plans for them. So you're gonna get a lot of videos on that stuff. It's just going to come less frequent. But really, I just want to thank you guys, because even while I was gone, my channel continued to grow steadily. I was still getting like a couple hundred subscribers every month or so, which is really cool, because we're at almost 8,500 subscribers now, I think, which is insane. At 10,000 subscribers, I plan on starting to get some merch out there for you guys. So if you're interested in that, let me know. But once again, thank you guys so much for all that you've been for me. I really appreciate everything. So I'm going to close this video out with a tour of my apartment, because you guys have never seen it. So where we're at right now is the computer room / spare bedroom. And we're on the top floor here. It's actually technically a townhouse. Washer and dryer right there. We got like a closet, bathroom, and then the master bedroom, which is, I haven't really made my bed. And then another bathroom. And then if we go down to the first floor, or the main floor, we have a front door right here. Out front, there's like a big old park. And then we can come over this way. Oh, I forgot to take my wreath down. This is the main floor. We got the kitchen. Let me turn on a light. We got the kitchen, which is pretty nice. The dining room. There's another bathroom around that corner. And then the living room. We got, Xbox stuff. I have an Oculus, which is pretty fun. And there's a Wii and a Switch. And that's some of the stuff that I like to play in my free time a little bit. And then if we go downstairs again, then we have this storage room. It's a little bit of a mess down here, but furnace, water heater. And then this is the garage, where we have FRS. And that's really it. The Civic is at my parents' house. That's where I do all the work on my cars, is at my parents' house. So thanks guys again, and expect more videos soon. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to either DM me on Instagram. My Instagram's always at the end of my videos, so you'll be able to see that. Or just leave a comment below, whatever you'd like. I appreciate you guys so much. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure that you do so. And thank you so much for watching. Peace out.